Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy uber rare cats in Battle Cats. Understanding the gacha system is crucial for maximizing your chances. Focus on specific events and banners that offer increased drop rates for these powerful units. Patience and strategic saving of cat food are essential for successful pulls. Don't waste resources on every banner. Wait for the ones that truly benefit your roster. This approach will help you build a strong team faster. To truly optimize your uber rare acquisition, you need to understand the gacha mechanics. Events like Uberfist and Epic Fist are your best friends, as they significantly increase the drop rates for these valuable units. Always prioritize guaranteed Uber draws, which ensure you get at least one Uber rare cat when performing an 11 draw. Learning to track your seed can also give you a massive advantage, allowing you to predict exactly when and where specific Ubers will appear in your future pulls. Effective cat food management is paramount for securing those elusive Uber rare cats. Resist the urge to spend your cat food on every banner. Instead, save it diligently for guaranteed Uber rare events, where your investment is much more secure. Make sure to complete your daily missions and clear new stages to consistently earn free cat food. Always perform 11 draws instead of single draws. The 11 draw offers a much better value and a higher chance of success. For advanced players, diving into community guides and online resources can reveal even more nuanced strategies for acquiring and utilizing Uber rare cats. Research which Uber rare cats are most effective for specific stages and challenges to maximize your team's potential. Remember, a well-rounded team with strategic Uber rare choices will carry you far. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals to help you out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.